I'm Ames Stenson, the Program Manager for the Inglewood Municipal Court Restorative Justice Program. I'm here with Municipal Court Judge Joe Jefferson and Inglewood Victim Assistance Coordinator Nancy Wenig to tell you more about the Municipal Court Restorative Justice Program.
The Inglewood Municipal Court Restorative Justice Program would like to acknowledge that you may have experienced being harmed or impacted by the alleged criminal actions of someone else's choices and behavior. These experiences can impact us in a variety of ways, including physically, financially, mentally, and emotionally. If you need additional resources or support or have questions about your rights as a potential victim, please contact Inglewood Victim Services at 303-762-2452. Your case has been referred to our Restorative Justice Program to potentially go through the restorative justice process only with your consent. This video will give you a short introduction as to what the Restorative Justice Program entails. When a crime occurs, people are harmed, and these specific harms need to be addressed and repaired. Restorative justice provides an opportunity for faster resolution of community conflicts and deeper healing for all involved. This includes an opportunity for the harmed parties to be as directly involved in the process as desired. These practices help ensure personal responsibility, public safety, as well as rehabilitation and restoration of our community.
Restorative justice practices, or RJ, are victim-centered, community-based responses to a crime or conflict, which create opportunities for accountability, repairing harm, and restoring relationships. Restorative justice recognizes that when a crime is committed, people and relationships are harmed. Participating in a restorative justice process allows you, the harmed party, to have an equal voice in stating what you need in order for the harm that you experience to be repaired to the fullest extent possible. Also, it allows you the opportunity to ask questions of the person who committed the offense and participate in creating an accountability contract that the responsible party will complete. Participants in the Inglewood Municipal Court Restorative Justice Program will engage in a facilitated dialogue, called an RJ Conference, to discuss what happened when the offense was committed, discuss who was harmed by these actions, and how these harms will be repaired. All stakeholders who were impacted by the crime, including harmed parties, responsible parties, police officers, community members, and others, are invited to participate in the RJ Conference. This is a voluntary process for all involved. An accountability contract is created during the RJ Conference, which the responsible party will complete. This contract is directly tied to repairing the harm that was caused based on the offense, and your voice plays an important role in creating this contract. The Inglewood Police may recommend that a case go to the EMC RJ program, instead of going through the traditional court process, if the following requirements are met. The harmed party gives consent. The responsible party is taking accountability for their behavior, and the crime committed violates a municipal ordinance. Once recommended, the city prosecutor will review the case and decide whether or not to send it to the EMC RJ program. In addition, all cases referred to the EMC RJ program must receive court approval.
If you approve of this case going through our Restorative Justice Program rather than through the traditional court process and the other eligibility requirements have also been met, this case will be recommended to go through the Restorative Justice Program. Next, you will be contacted by the Restorative Justice Program staff to confirm your consent, answer any questions you may have about the program, learn about the next steps in the process, and be invited to participate in the restorative justice process if you wish to participate. If you decide that you do not want your case to go through our restorative justice program, or if the responsible party chooses not to participate, this case will proceed through the traditional prosecution process in the municipal court. Finally, and again, if you have any questions regarding your rights as a potential victim in this case, need additional resources or support, please contact Inglewood Victim Services.
At the core, restorative justice practices focus on repairing harm, accountability, and building positive relationships and community resilience. If all of the eligible program requirements are met, we hope that you will consider participating in the Inglewood Municipal Court Restorative Justice Program. To learn more, please visit our webpage. Thank you.